Hi, today I'll be presenting my digital marketing practice assessment. Um, so the topic that I've chosen here is Influence, which is a brand that I've created. It's a digital marketing agency that focuses solely on influencer marketing. So the reason why I chose the reason why I've created Influence is because today influencers play a pivotal role in shaping the narratives and are the driving force for trends. So the brand recognizes the unique X factor that every influencer possesses, transcending the conventional metrics. That is what I aim from influence. It will help these influencers in getting the most out of their followers, by creating merchandise stores for them, by creating digital marketing strategies, and by being a collaborator for influencers and brands that go hand in hand. It'll be a platform that will be like a apt supporter for influencers. So let's dive right into the marketing proposal that I've created for the brand. Here, Here you can see the marketing proposal for influence. Uh, I've assumed the role of Nox, which is a digital marketing agency that helped influence for its digital marketing needs. So it starts with an introduction to Nox, and then it goes to on detail about the client that is influence here. So it talks about the demographic, and this is a very important point as influence has a very specific target audience that comes in the category of Gen Z and millennials, as that is where the most influencers in YouTube, Instagram, and all other social medias like. So that is the target demographics, and then it goes on to a service overview where it goes in detail about the services influence produces and gives out, and then I go on on detailing on the digital marketing strategy that I propose for Influenx. It includes everything SEO, or website design, SEO, Google Analytics setup, and then paid ad campaigns, and so on. And in the end, you can see a pricing, which is an estimate for the digital marketing plan that I've proposed. So after this, what I've done is I've created a wireframe. So the wireframe, I have done it in Bisley. I chose Wesley because it is very easier to create a wireframe in this. And then, uh, yeah, so here it is. You can see the home page, about page, services, and blog. So I followed the same structure in the website, even though I've changed the color theme and the images and stuff. I've tried to maintain the same structure as the wireframe. So I'll go on showing the website now. The website is, yeah. So here you can see the website of Influence. So I've created this website using Wix, where I've bought the domain, and as it has its own hosting platform. So it's been very easy to create a website in this. So it has all essential pages such as home, about us, our services, and a blog. And then it also has a contact as anchor. Now, as we go down, we can see a welcome title and small paragraph that intros Influence. And then when I go down, you can see a video that has been created using DeepBrains.io. So it's a AI platform that creates videos with AI models. It has a small welcome video there. And then when I go down, you can see a small overview of the services that Influence has to offer. Now, when we go to the About Us page, you can see a small detail about what a company is, with the story there. And then as we go down, you can see the team members and a small detail about the team members and their respective Facebook and Instagram pages. And then yeah, you can I have a contact us anchor here, which takes you to the contact us there. So now yeah so yeah and this is our services page. This has a more detailed description of the services that was given in the first page. So yeah, you can see the services and detail here. Yeah, and yeah, we have the contact us form. Now we move on to the blog. So in the blog page, you can see the blogs that have recently been added on the top, or the featured blog on the top, and then the all blogs here. You can search for it also. So it's a basic blog page, and all the content, including the background images and the blog images, including the blog content. When you open it and show. Yeah, so all this content has been generated using ChatGPT. The text has been generated using ChatGPT, and the image has been also generated using ChatGPT DALL-E 3. Yeah. So another thing to note here is the Let's Chat option. So the interested leads can actually directly message influence us through the chat here, and you get a mail in Gmail. So it's linked there. Yeah, the another point is that I've made the website mobile friendly, so you can see an intro animation there, and then as you can see, it's entirely mobile friendly there. It has a social media decorations added, and then you can go to the about us page. This has been done manually through Wix. I mean, I have been editing both the options side by side, and then it has been created like that. And yeah, I've also added the for mobile mode, you can access Facebook and Instagram pages through the three dots there, and then the blog here. So these blog pages, and then you click blog. Um, yeah, there you have the footer. Then we can go to the our services page. Here in the our services page, I've added the tabs in a different manner compared to the website mode. You can see the different tabs here for that, and then it goes on to the form page. You can submit a form here, and we'll go submit. Thank you for submitting concept. Now, if I give the contact us, it goes on the anchor and comes back there. So the next thing that I'm going to talk about is the keywords. So while choosing the keywords for this website, I chose it on the basis of the most in-demand one with low competition. So I found these keywords using BART, which helped in finding these keywords very easily. So the long tail keywords that I've used in the website is how to make money as an influencer with a merchandise store, influencer marketing strategies for beginners in 2023, and how to find brands to collaborate with as an influencer on Instagram. And as a short tail keyword, I've used influencer marketing platform, influencer monetization, merchandise store, and Influnex. So these are the keywords that I've used. Now, looking more in detail to the SEO part. For the in detail SEO part, let's go on to the SEO page. Yeah, so here you can see the major things that needed to become the basic things that needed to be completed for the SEO. It includes, indexing it in Google search. It also has the integration of Google Search Console. It makes the web page appear in the search. It also has the to be connected to a domain that I've already done, and then the fave icon, that is this icon that comes up, that also has been done. All these are important, but and also the blog thing. Regarding the blog, the content that I've posted for the blog is very relevant, and that relevance also helps in the search engine optimization part. Then then when the other parts that I've done is I've added backlinks, and then there have been you know interlinking between pages. There have also been alt text added to the images. Um, I've added the meta data for the you know web pages, each pages. That also has been done through Wix platform. All these come under the in-depth SEO part, and again the keywords also have been added correctly. Uh, that the keywords that I've researched before, yeah. So they have been added to each content of the website. Next, let us take a look into the page speed info. So for that, I've gone to the speed insights page where I've searched for influence, and here you can see the performance. I mean, the SEO is 91, the best practice is 91, accessibility is 92, and performance is 57 for the mobile. So you can see the details there. There are things to improve here that I've yet to do. It has a 92% 92% accessibility, and it has 91% best practice, and the SEO is really good. And if I go to the desktop part, here the performance 93, accessibility is 93, the best practices is 91, and the SEO is 100. I think this is really good, and the improvements needed here is way less. Yeah. So the next part, I'm gonna take a look into the Google Search Console integration that I've done. Here you can see I've added the domain here and the property here, and I've also linked Google Analytics here in the associations. You can see a GA4 linked here, uh, and I've also added the sitemap that comes here. Here you can see that it has discovered the 18 pages, and it has all the categories here. You can see everything is success here. And yeah, the next we can go to the site overview. Here it has a more detailed overview of how the it has been performing. The site has been performing in Google search. It has 168 views and an average engagement time of 2 minutes and 33 seconds there, and it goes on with each content there. My most popular content is here, and then traffic. Yeah, the traffic channels here as direct is 48%, and then organic is 31, and referral is I think this is actually a really good metric, as I've just started the website like 2 days back. I've just put it into a search console like 2 days back. So yeah, that is about the Google Search Console part. Now let take a look at the Google Analytics part. So in the analytics part, I've added the I've added all these integrations, that is the console, and including the pixel, everything through the Wix platform. So it has the place that I can just type the code, I mean the ID. Here in the analytics part, it gives a clearer picture of how it has been performing. Yeah, so this is the report snapshot. You can see that 12 users, and there has been an average engagement time of 2 minutes 44 seconds. Here you can see there's a direct referral is 14, a referral uh, organic search is 5, organic social is 1. And here you can see the most people have access are from London, United Kingdom, and that is 11. And then from United States there's one person. Here you can see the page view, session start, all the events that have been automatically added. I've not added any custom events yet. I've also linked the Google Tag Manager to the website, but I have to add custom events through that, which hasn't been done yet. Here you can see the each page views there. So yeah, that's about Google Analytics part. Now let's go into the social media aspects. So in the social media aspect, you can see right here, I've created an Instagram page for it. I've added the bio. I've added the link, website link here. Another thing to note that this has been created as a business profile, which has a more metric, more detailed metric system there. All this content has been added, has been created using ChatGPT DALL-E 3, including the codes here and the hashtags there. And now let's look into the Facebook page. So in the Facebook page, you can see that I've added, here, I've added two posts. Like, then I've added the details here, the address there and phone number. Everything has been added properly. Then when I go into the events manager right here, yeah. So here you can see that the pixel that I've added through the to the website using um, Wix is performing very well. I can see that the page views here, chat opens, leads, everything is being recorded correctly. I've also verified the domain in in the business manager, business settings. That is that for that I've added the meta tag directly to the header because it could not be verified through the integration process. So I've added it directly to the header. Um, that's about it for the social media and the pixel integrations that I've done here. So the next part is the future goals. So in the future, I plan to launch a PPC campaign to target specific keywords and attract more visitors to the website. The PPC campaigns will be focused on targeting high intent keywords that are relevant to our target audience, creating compelling ad copy that highlights the benefits of our platform, optimizing the landing pages for the conversions, and I've also have an idea to add affiliating marketing to it, where I plan to encourage other people to promote the website, and I offer a small commission for them, for referring it. And that is about it. Here I conclude this assessment, and thank you for watching.